Hey guys, Jason, Fender Garage, and we're in Gilbert, Arizona, and we've got another bracket that we've created. We talked about the 53 to 56 bracket, which we've already developed, and this is a 67 to 79 Coyote bracket mount in order for you to install this in your pickup truck. Now, it actually will work in a Bronco as well, 78, 79 Bronco, not Gen 1 Broncos, but the Gen 2 Bronco 78, 79. So it's really simple. Obviously, installing a pedal can be complicated, but we've basically come up with a bracket. You've already got your nuts welded on the back on this one because it could be a little bit harder to get to. And from there, you're just gonna bolt this to your firewall. We'll give you the dimensions and approximate locations where this needs to mount. It will be up to you to actually have the courage to drill through your firewall and install it. Now, if you're building a vehicle from scratch, then maybe you want to just kind of spot weld that right there. Maybe put a little stitch there, a little weld on the bottom, and you're done. Now, these will come unfinished. We're not going to powder coat these due to the fact that you may be welding them in and you would mess up the powder coat. So you might have to paint these by hand. You can rattle can them, you can do whatever you want to do, paint them black, but black's probably your color. And then you can easily mount a pedal on it. So very simple, helps put the pedal at the right angle, the right location, hopefully take a little bit of headache out on how to make a bracket yourself, and you can just buy this and bolt it on and make it work. Again, this is a bracket for 1967 all the way through 1979 and Gen 2 78, 79 Broncos. Now, I will say this, every truck is a little bit different, and every truck brake pedals are a little bit different. People have kind of modified, they've changed things. Maybe it's a manual truck that you're converting and making it automatic. You might have a little of a brake pedal adjustment you might need to make in order to get things the proper location. You might have to maybe bend it a little bit. You might have to lower the pedal down a little bit, make that adjustment to kind of align things up. But as far as getting the maximum space that you can get and get your leg out as far as you can and still mount this, that's what we focused on, is providing a bracket that allows that. So again, 67 to 79 pickup trucks and 78, 79 Broncos.